Everyone, today we are here with another session of Subject and Predicate Part 2. First, what is subject and what is predicate? Who or what the sentence is about is called as subject, and predicate is the telling part. Predicate includes the verb and all the words that tells what happened in the sentence. So, in sentence, every word in the sentence belong either to subject or to the predicate part. Finding the subject and the predicate in the sentence, always find the verb first and then say who or what is followed by the verb. Asking the question with who or what to the verb, and whatever the answer we will get, that is the subject part. For example, my neighbor's dog barked all night. Now here, who barked all night? My neighbor's dog. So underlined words are subject and rest all the words are predicate. So as a rule, subject must come in the beginning, but it may come in the middle or at the end of the sentence. For example, see here, every morning he walked a mile. So now he is a subject here which came in the middle of the sentence. Down went the Titanic. So the Titanic, that is the subject part here which came at the last. Negative sentence do not starts with the subject. For example, see, are the maths problem hard? So it is not starting with the subject part. The subject part is in middle. Do fruits contain vitamin? So fruit is in the middle. So like this, interrogative sentences do not starts with the subject. Same as like the interrogative, exclamative sentences also do not starts with the subject. Now see, for example, how cute the kitten is. So the kitten is the subject here. What a beautiful flower. So flower is a subject part here. It came at the end of the sentence. Kind of sentence which we have learnt in our previous class, that is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences generally have an understood subject as you. Help the poor. Now here subject is missing. You help the poor. You is the subject here. Well, shut the door. If we will take another example, the you is hidden here. So you shut the door. Same, one more important point in subject and predicate is when there introduces a sentence, the real subject is placed after the verb. So see, in example, there are few books lying on the table. A few books is the subject here. What does predicate show? Predicate shows some details about the subject, what the subject is doing, where is that subject, and how is that subject. That part of a sentence, that is predicate part. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos based on grammar,